Hey everybody, I just bought myself a new computer so I can finally begin producing some content for you. Just for reference sake here, it's a Dell XPS 15 9570. It has an 8th gen i7 CPU, 32 gigs of RAM, a 1 terabyte SSD, and a 1050 Ti graphics card with 4 gigs. If you want a review on it or something, let me know. I can tell you one thing, the fans are just too damn loud for me sometimes. I know everybody wants it thinner and lighter, and this will come in handy in my world travels as I have to carry both my laptops. There's a work one and a personal one. Meanwhile, I swear my new Galaxy Note 9 cell phone is damn near as big as this laptop. But point is, hopefully the fan noise isn't noticeable in the audio. I can also tell you it's getting late here. Dogs have all been out for last trip, and you may hear a snoring chihuahua. I would try to wake her up, but I need my hand to operate the mouse. Whoever said let sleeping dogs lie, you know they had a chihuahua. As you see here, I've been loading up software on my new computer, and I have included OBS Studio that I'm using to record this on. My son uses it for streaming, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I'll probably put it together in Shotcut, but for the recording, we're giving this a try. I'm also using a Rode NT USB microphone that sits right on my desk, so if it picks up too much noise from the keyboard or something like that, I will change to a boom next time. This is all part of my testing here today. Here's the download page for the OBS Studio software. I obviously already have it installed to make this video, and I'm sure all of you know how to download and install an application. So we're going to skip that part. I just thought I'd show you the screens here. I will put links to everything down below. Next, I'll be installing Oracle VirtualBox. This is a popular VM host program. It allows me to run various operating systems on my desktop for testing and for work. I am taking some classes right now through edX. They tend to use VirtualBox a lot of times. And I'm also taking some classes in Linux. I've used it off and on for years, but I just take classes and stuff. That's what I do. And I'm going to skip right down here. I'm going to use the bleeding edge version 18.1 because I'm crazy that way. As you can see, I have all of the software downloaded here. So let's get going. Let's start with VirtualBox. That is a next deal. So no problems there. Install. Yes, I have permission from my mother. And done. And we'll launch it. Here's VirtualBox up and running. We have a couple copies of Ubuntu back here. We're going with the desktop. So we say new. Ubuntu. Next, we're going to go with 4096. That looks good. Yep, with that. Sure thing. Start with 20 gigs. And done. Go into settings. For advanced, we'll do bi-directional on the drag and drop and clipboard and such. Let's see, processor, we'll take her up to 2. Go with 32 megs on the video. Everything else we'll pretty much just leave for now. We have to point this at the ISO that we want. Downloads, here's the Ubuntu. Go. All right. And let's go. This is scaled mode. Say shut up. English, install. English US, English US. I'm going to tell it to download the updates because I'll be using this for a while. It'll probably take a while, so I'll cut away. I'll come back when it's all done installing. So continue. Ask where you are. It'll ask for some login information. Here we are. We'll say Tim. Pick a password. Yes, I use very long passwords. But for now, we're going to say login automatically. I'll change that later. And now it just needs to download and install everything. So I'll cut away and I'll come back when that's done. Okay, as you can see now, it says the installation is complete, but this is where I go horribly wrong. It says restart. It'll then come up and say to remove the installation media and press enter to continue. Sounds simple enough. So let me go in and show you. The installation media now is empty. So I should be good, right? Come here, press enter. Oh, I misspoke. Every other time for me, that has locked up at that point. It's a miracle. Look at this. Ubuntu up and running under VirtualBox. Skip this nonsense for now. Nope, don't want to help out right now. And done. Everything looks good, up and running. I will be installing some more packages at some point soon, doing a little bit of custom configuration. I'm sure I'll shoot videos for that. I'm sure you folks may not care. But, again, it's what I do. For now, thanks for stopping by.